remember we was in school, and we'll look over at the next person and say, "Hey, man, let me get the answer to A or B or C or D or whatever. You know what I mean? Help me get this math problem. You know what I'm saying? Right, or whatever this spelling word." And they say the teacher come over and be like, "Hey, you cheating? You can't do that." You know what? Out here, being an entrepreneur, being an independent artist, independent welder, whatever you're doing with your business, small business LLC, there's no cheating to go to someone else that's already established. Say, hey, can I, get a couple ideas or watch someone else what they're doing and copy what they're doing to build what you're doing? That's not cheating. That's called utilizing. You know what I mean? So think about that when you out here networking. So it's no such thing as, oh, you stealing so and so idea. Nah, you utilizing the idea that was existed so that way you can capitalize off of it. Some people will come up with something and they win it, and you can actually say, oh man, this is how it worked. Now, you probably can't do it exactly how they did, but you still figure out a way to use it. Each one teach one. All gone.